So, hello, my dear friends. Today we are going to learn how we can make the website like free website. We don't need to pay any money to host our website. Like it's totally free of cost. So, let's get started. Go on your Play Store or App Store and search for the Milk Shake website builder. Here you can go, you can see here, install it. It's totally free of cost. Like it's just an single page website where basic information are stored, such as your Instagram or YouTube or social media links, and some basic items are stored in this website. So it's not like heavy website such as the big websites such as Amazon, Apple that are making. It's a small website, so make the website according to it. So then sign with Google. Here you can select the account, such as I am selecting this one. Then continue. Then after, you need to name your website, such as I am giving just for just for the example purposes. I am giving let's say ABCD company. Oh, this company is already in use. I think I need to change that. So here I give some random name, but you can create professionally. So you can see here there are some like push notification, marketing communication. So like if you want, then you can skip it. I am skipping the step. Then continue. Then select your website theme. You can select any theme, or you can see, such as if you want a theme specifically for YouTube, then here is just for the YouTube and for Splash. Then contain, sell, about us, link. So select anything that you want, but suppose that we choose here, let's see, select this one, topics. Right now that people are choosing the theme, so here you can select any theme you like. You can see there are too many themes are there for your website. Suppose I'm, let's say, selecting the first one. Let's say I'm selecting this one. So you can change the photo. If here you can see, you can change the photo. You can change the name, such as I'm given the SKWN company. You can here change, or you can also use this website for your portfolio or for your resume purposes also. It's quite like this website is quite basic, so yeah, you can use it. Here you can see card heading. You can give anything here, subtitle, sorry, subheading, such as oh, so sorry for this, such as I'm giving hard work is key of success. Oh, sorry. You can describe anything, such as I am, such as Morvin. I am studying in university and then anything else. Then you can some recommendations, some pics that you want. You can see like you can edit, such as you can edit or you can change anything that you like. You can do it according to such as let's say I want to add a link. So you can see you need to paste a link here. There is also image. If you want, you can add the image or item heading, pic description that are shown. Then preview. After previewing it, you can see some basic art there. So let's say publish it. So here my site is publishing, and you can see my site is totally published. Here we are seeing my website on the browser, on the Safari browser. See, just free of cost, the website is live. The website is right now hosting. So try it now on your mobile phone, or you can do it on your laptop too. So try it now.
If you have any question or any doubt, feel free to ask in the comment section below. I will answer you as soon as I can. Thank you for watching. Bye and have a nice day.